Hello, welcome back everyone to Trend Trading YouTube channel. I believe everyone have already subscribed and turn on the bell icon. If you have not done it, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So yesterday I've shared few levels for my trade entry. Let's first check whether we got any trade entry, and I'll be sharing tomorrow's that is December 3rd trade strategy or trade entry. Okay, so first of all, in Bank Nifty, one level which I have shared, that is somewhere around 36,000. Today, Bank Nifty was more into an overlapping zone, slowly, steadily. Market opened here, somewhere, yes, somewhere in this zone, probably, yes, near to the zone. It was like more congested, overlapping market. In terms of Bank Nifty, there was no clear approach on towards direction. But one thing is, Bank Nifty closed near days high. So one plan was 36,670 to 36,740. This is the mark zone. A rejection from this zone for a short side trade, but we have not got any such rejection on this trading session. We have not got any trade entry. Here one more zone, the mark zone. We have not got any entry. When it comes to Nifty, one thing which I was looking, price going to the zone and getting a rejection at this rejection juncture. This is yesterday's I'm talking about for today's plan. Okay, with bearish candle formation. So price got a rejection. Here we got a bearish candle. Below this candle low was a short side entry, was my entry, but below this candle price not gone, so it was not an entry which we got. So for today's session, as per the levels which I have shared yesterday, we have not got any entry. So moving on for tomorrow's session, when it comes to Nifty, one thing in Nifty, if you look at one thing in Nifty, it was a clean, slow, steady, clean price was shooting up and up. Okay, from morning. If you look at from morning, it was gradually moving up, full of consolidation for 2-3 hours. Then later of the market, price shooted up. But Bank Nifty very congested. Still, there is no clear confirmation from the players on the direction. So one thing tomorrow's, when it comes to tomorrow's expected plan, one plan is 36,830 to 36,900. This is zone number one. This is Bank Nifty. Again, Bank Nifty future 500 time frame. So if price coming to the zone, getting a rejection or crossing the zone, getting a rejection at this juncture, the candle type which I will be closely looking at is a bearish candle formation or a rejection candle formation. Okay, and below this candle I'll be planning my short side trade or put option trade. How to trade in the option? In yesterday's video I shared the process in which how to I personally choose option strike price, and I personally how I enter the same trade of future levels in option. You can go ahead and watch the yesterday's video. This is the yesterday's video. Okay, so below this I'll be shorting, or below this whichever candle comes. Stop loss few points above this 50 to 20 points buffer, not exactly at the 15-20 points buffer. And if the candle range is more than 170 plus points, I'll be avoiding. Okay, your expected target probably again 150 to 170 points is the expected target on if I'm getting a trade entry as per this trade entry levels. As Bank Nifty is getting more confused slightly still, so only one plan in Bank Nifty, but there are two plans which I probably looking on Nifty. One plan is a bullish plan for tomorrow because Nifty looks slight stronger on today's trading session. Follow-up move will be decided tomorrow. So tomorrow's trading session, if price come to the zone and get a rejection or crossing down and gets a rejection, here the level, let me tell you the level first, 17,460 to 17,420 is the level. At this juncture, I am looking for very simple a bullish candle formation or a bullish rejection candle formation. Above this, I'll be planning my buy side or a call option trade, or above this, whichever comes first. And candle has to close below 17,460 level. That is very important. And when to avoid, if the candle range is more than 75 plus points, then I'll be avoiding because stop loss will be slightly bigger in terms of stop loss. And target, I'm expecting a target of 65 to 75 points, bare minimum target which I'm expecting from this level if price approaches. I will repeat the level, 17,460 to 17,420 is the zone. Number two plan number two is this is close. If market comes down slighter and gets a rejection, or if this scenario takes place, Note down the level 17,355 to 17,320. I'll repeat the level again. Nifty future level 5-minute time frame 17,355 to 17,320 is the level. If price comes to the zone, gets a rejection, moving down, getting a rejection. At this juncture, I will be closely looking at few things. Similarly, a bullish candle formation or a bullish rejection candle formation, above which I'll be entering my trade. Stop loss not exactly at the low, few points below this, probably 8 to 10 points in option, 5 to 6 points buffer. I'm placing my stop loss. Your expected target is again slight wider target. Here 75 to 90 points is my expected target. 70, let's take 70 to 90 points, okay, will be my expected minimum target if I'm getting trades as per this level. And now this zone 17,355, 17,320, not only for trade entry, this 17,355 to 17,350 is also important for the Nifty bulls. To give any further strong upside move, this zone has to be held by the bulls or the buyers. If they are failing and price started trading clearly below it for, let's say, for 1 or 2 trading session, then this bulls power might be tested. This is for next 1 week plan. This zone, that is 17,355 to 17,320, is very important.